And this is how I make no drain pasta. Got a cup, measuring cup. 1, 2, 3 cups of pasta, and then I'll put it in 6 cups of water. Generally, and every pasta is a little bit different. Need to experiment a little bit, but generally it's 1 cup of pasta to 2 cups of water. And now I'm going to put in some water. There's 1, and I'll put in 5 more cups of water. And I put this on the stove, and I'm going to turn the burner to high, and I'm going to bring that to a full boil. And I've got a full boil. I'm going to turn off the heat and let that go down a little bit. I'll be careful, I don't want it to boil over. It's going down now. So let that drop down a bit. And that should be good. Now I'm going to put the cover on. The heat is off. If that ends up boiling up towards boiling over, I'll just take the cover off and remove it from the heat, and then that should go down. But then now I'm going to let that sit for an hour. And it's been an hour, and oh yeah, looks like all the moisture is absorbed, and it's ready to eat. Be sure to check out my other videos.